Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. And Ryobi has put out some huge news today. As you all know, last year they came out with 3 brand new zero-turn lithium-ion lawnmowers. Now, these things were incredible because they run off 80 volts. And they also were supplemented by the 40 volts. Now, here's an 80-volt battery right here. Now, I have the Z-turn, but they announced today lawn tractors that you just saw in this awesome video. And if you look at the entire spread, what you're going to see is that they have three brand new lawnmowers. You have the 46, 40, I guess that's 2, and then the little lawnmower right there. I believe that's right around a 24-inch lawnmower, and that runs all off the 80-volt batteries. Now check this out. As we scroll down, you're going to see some great graphics going into this. You're going to see, let me zoom in here. Check this out. Look at this. Look, front storage. So this opens up and you're going to see some great storage in the front of it, and it looks like it is a removable basket as well. So you're going to do so much with that, especially in your garden. You're hauling tools around, hauling flowers around. Now, the seat is awesome. Those are embroidered seats. I can tell you from experience, they're very high quality. Now, I did a very in-depth review on the zero turns. Take a look at that. You can see it's a very plush, nice, very nice seat. This is sharing a lot of the same qualities because it's built on the same platform as well. But it has up to 2.5 acres of runtime, which is awesome because it hosts the batteries in the back. Now, this is a tractor, and with a tractor, you're going to have a front receiver right here. Then you're going to have a receiver on the back of it as well with a standard 2-inch square receiver. Now, the deck is quick release. 90 seconds is what it takes to release this deck. That's pretty awesome. That is a 3-blade deck for the 46-inch lawnmower. Now, it has 4 brushless motors. You're going to have 1 in the back and 3 for the deck. This also has the cross cut, which means you got the dual blades. Those dual blades are going to be for each motor. So you're going to have 3 different motors and 2 blades for this. So it's technically, I guess, 6 blades, which is pretty awesome too. Now, if we scroll down, you're going to see this is a push lawnmower with the 80-volt battery as well. This is going to be a super powerful mower. It looks awesome, self-propelled, everything that you would want to see in here, but you just get more superior power out of an electric lawnmower. So a lot of you are going to be asking, how much does it cost? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. The pricing is already up on the Home Depot. Right here we see the pricing. The 42-inch is priced at $5,000. Now, you can see it has a lot of great advertisements, a lot of pictures here. Same thing we just looked at. And it has 21 horsepower equivalent. But let's take a look at the other one because I think people are going to be interested in the 46-inch. This is the 46-inch. It's $5,500. Now, you get 3 big batteries. Look at that right there. Right? You get so much here. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the pictures. Look how nice that looks. Look at that. That is a good looking lawn tractor. You're going to be able to do so much. Batteries go in the back, charging on the side. You actually have foot pedals here too. You have a big wall charger on it. 2.5 acres, 23 horsepower for the 46-inch. I love that front receiver. You're going to be able to do a lot with that. And I'm pretty sure you're going to see a snowplow come out for this thing at some point in the future. This is the 3 blades that I was talking about. Look right here, dual blades. So that's 6 blades. That looks like a very awesome, solid looking deck that you have on there. Now look right here. That is a single motor for the back 2 wheels. So you're saving that. It has a total of 4 motors that goes on there. Look right here. This is awesome, right? This is Bluetooth compatible. This looks like this zero-turn the zero-turn as well. Same display. A lot of the controls are there. You have your on and off for the blades right there. Let's take a look over here. You have your key. So it's a lot of the traditional things that you see with that lawn tractor, the steering wheel type. Now look right here. This is that big basket I'm talking about. You're going to be able to remove it, get it in there. Look at this. This is a nice cradle for it to sit in. And you know what? I like that it's on the front of the lawnmower. I think it gives you a little bit more space, and you get to cover it. So you can leave some tools in there as well. Just a bigger picture of it there. That's a sharp looking lawnmower. The back version of it, T46, there's that gearbox. You got your motor in front of it. You got some good reduction gears. And this is that famous 80 volt, 10 amp hour battery. Look at this. You have a little electricity flowing through there. You got the cells going. This is a beautiful battery, and that's this battery right here. It's an amazing battery. I've got to say that. I love it. Now, one of the things that people did not like is that whenever they introduced all the zero turns, they actually took away the one steering wheel, and that was a 48 volt flooded lead acid battery. I have that one too, and I've done some videos on that one too. So check that one down below. It was a great mower, but people really weren't comfortable with the zero turn, the two handles, or just the joystick. So I think this is a very nice compromise. All right, this is that one right there. This is the old lawnmower. It's a pretty good looking dune buggy lawnmower, and it worked okay, but the battery was the killer of it, and that's why people went away, because the batteries would die, but then they would convert them, but it took a lot of money. Lithium ion, you don't have the same battery degradation issues. Ryobi, let me go to their page right here. Ryobi announced it. They have some really great advertisement going on here. You know, good on you all for the social media team for really keeping us up to date with this stuff. I really, really do like it. But you're going to see some amazing stuff coming out. I am so proud of Ryobi for taking the step and really getting back to that lawn tractor field, more that utilitarian. Now, the other ones, they do have hitches, but they're more of the pin hitch, not the hitch receiver. So you're going to do a little bit more with this. But I think with this one, you're going to have a little bit more weight, a little more control, a little bit more of that traditional feel that most people would be looking for with this type of mower. Now, it should be coming out. I'm hoping they're going to have this out, at least in stores, or to be able to order it by summertime. I'm not really clear on exactly when it's coming out. I am just amazed at the innovation that Ryobi is being able to put out, and that they continue to progress. Really, that they progress so well into this market with the lawn and garden. They just continue to push the envelope. They continue to develop their battery technology, the cell technology. I think that at this point, I don't think there's anyone else that's really doing as much as Ryobi in the lawn and garden market, with batteries, between their tillers, between their lawnmowers, between their augers, between everything that they have. They are gearing up to be the world's best. And I think Ego has a little bit of work to do in order to catch up with them. So I hope that everybody is ready for this. This 80 volt technology is really controlling the market with Ryobi. Home Depot is doing a fantastic job at reeling in and holding Ryobi here and really pushing the envelope with technology. I can't wait to see what they're going to do, because this is just the beginning, right? So we started with the 80 volt technology last year. We went to the tillers, went to the lawnmowers. Now we're getting into the lawn tractors. We have the 40 volt technology for the smaller handheld tools. It's only getting better. So everyone, do me a favor, head down below, hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to cover all the new technology coming out from Ryobi, and I'm going to be doing comparisons with other manufacturers as well. Hit that like button as well. Don't forget to share it. Sharing's caring. That's what I tell my kids, and that's what they're telling me now. So I really appreciate it. But all jokes aside, I really do genuinely appreciate everybody watching my videos. Stay up to date with this. We are going to stay on top of it. We're going to bring you the latest news, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.